Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Folding down the back seats in your Mercedes C300 is a great way to get more trunk space. This process is simple once you know where the levers are located. First, you need to open the trunk of your car. Look at the top edge of the trunk opening. You will see two small black handles. These handles are usually located on the left and right sides. Pull the handle on the side you want to fold down. You should hear a clicking sound. This sound means the seat lock has been released. If you want to fold both seats, pull both handles. Now move to the back doors of the car. Open the rear door and reach for the top of the seat back. Push the seat forward toward the front of the car. The seat should fold down flat. Sometimes the headrests might hit the front seats. If this happens, move the front seats forward a little bit. This will give the back seats enough room to drop down. Make sure the seat belts are not caught in the latch when you put the seats back up later. Always check that the seats are locked in place before driving with passengers. You now have a lot more room for large items or luggage. This feature makes your C300 much more useful for long trips or shopping. You can fit long boxes or sports gear easily. It only takes a few seconds to finish this task. Your car is now ready for a big haul. Keep your hands clear of the hinges to avoid pinching during this quick setup.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.